What's up in the face? So recently I went on a hike on a mountain here called Skjeggen, and I think that roughly translates to beardy. So the top of the mountain was covered in rocks and stones of different shapes and sizes. And on the way to the top there was a rock that was like stretched out. It was like a long rock. Someone had made like an altar for it. It looked like the sword in the stone, you know, from the story about King Arthur. On the way up, I told my fiance that I was inspired to write a song based on everything and how it looks up here and like how big it is and the surroundings and all that. And she was like, yeah, it's really cool because it looks like there has been like mountain giants fighting here and all the stone rubble, that's all what's left from the fight, and it's really cool. And that made me think of the scene from The Hobbit where the mountains fight each other in the thunderstorm. So that's kind of the inspiration of the song, like the hike and what we talked about on the top of the mountain. I'm picturing like a folk song, like the songs out of the Lord of the Rings books. But I'm not gonna talk too much about that now. I'm gonna leave that for making music, Alex. Please subscribe, hit the like button, all that jazz. Right now, I'm gonna go make some music. Alright, let's make some music. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. All I know is that I am inspired by the mountain. What does a mountain sound like? Okay. I really want to use the bagpipes for a long time, so this is nice. This is good. We need something to kind of join on top of that. How do I get from here? Oh, should I be like true to the thing or should I just play around? I'm gonna play around. Oh, that's Lord of the Rings. Okay, I can't do that. I almost wrote a thing that already exists. Musician's worst nightmare. That's a call and response, motherfuck! Yeah! There we go. So we're in the mountain halls that I'm feeling, the mountain halls. Dum bum bum. For the drums, I think I'm gonna try out the new thing I got. It's called the Free Orchestra. Okay, so power strikes maybe? Okay, no. No, maybe actually. Because I was supposed to do basses now, but I get carried away. Like you should when you're making music, because it's fun. I have a thing where I kind of make the biggest parts over, then I spread everything out. I have a soft spot for horns. These guys have something called heroic horns, and I like the sound of that. I haven't tried them yet. See if they're good. Do something that's not Lord of the Rings. we just jump into some cellos, because we don't have any big chord instruments yet. I'm gonna start shaping now. I'm thinking we just start with the drones. Oh, wait. How about we duplicate you? Bagpipe melody. Making the new Scottish anthem here. I'm thinking like a bagpipe solo, like filled with reverb and everything. Maybe the flute joins in at a point, and then we come back to like the full, like and we evolve the melody before we end. So it gets like the finish. Do they have a bagpiper? They do! Oh my gosh, that's so cool. For the melody, we're gonna use the dog. We need like a big droney thing, like a double bass. Back with the MIDI keyboard, yeah! Hello guys. Oh, yeah, we're gonna evolve the melody. Yes, we're gonna fucking blow this shit away. Fucking blow this shit away! Oh, I'm this close from finishing this piece and I can't do it. Holy fuck! This is how it feels to make music sometimes. Yeah, it's not gonna work. What can I do to like get out of the mindset I'm in? Because now I feel stuck. I want to do something about it, but I'm not sure what to do. Usually I take breaks when I'm here, and that seems to help, but I want to force myself to finish this song now. In the sitting, but everything kind of sounds the same for me now. Yeah, I think I'm gonna take a break, but I have like more cleanup things to do. I want to hang out with my girlfriend, and I think that's a valid reason. Snakes on the plane. I'm back to rock the sock of your mom. I had a break. I don't feel rejuvenated, but we're gonna do it anyways. Okay, so I cleaned out, I took away the claps. I need to clean up the timpani, go over second melody at the end. I'm thinking that I will have the regular melody play and have the new melody play at the same time. I don't know if it's gonna be a mess. Maybe it will, maybe it won't. I think it could be cool. It's a big mess, but what we should do is extend it because it's such a cool melody. Toot my own horn and all that stuff, but come on. Today I'm maybe being a little bit unnatural to the flutes and the horns, but you know what? If you don't like it, toot another horn. Here's a new segment I like to call Fact Time with Alex. What you didn't know that I know, because I am an expert in Scandinavian history and everything Scandinavian. Did you know that Vikings
did not have horn on their helmets. Bet you didn't know. Blew your mind. Boo-ba-doo. Okay, whatever. That was Fact Time with Alex. Okay. Back to the music. Sorry. That's such a good ending. No, it's good. I'm gonna say it's good. Now just gonna mix this monstrosity. See you when I see you. Blah, blah, blah. It's gonna be like... Okay. If that's not the sound of something called the Bearded Mountain, I don't know what is. As always, if you want to hear the full song, there's a link in the description to that. If you want to subscribe, that would make me really happy, and click the like button. It really helps, actually. I'll see you in the next one, but first, let's hear it.